In this video, we are going to discuss about hypotheses, axioms and models. First of all, let us start with this statement that everything cannot be proved with physics and mathematics. By this statement, I am trying to say that it is not wise to think that everything can be proved with physics and mathematics. All physics and mathematics is based on assumptions, each of which is variously called a hypothesis or axiom or postulate, etc. Let us start with the term hypothesis. A hypothesis is a supposition without assuming that it is true. So, it would not be fair to ask anybody to prove the universal law of gravitation because it cannot be proved. But it can be verified by experiments and observations. We must note that proof and verification are two different things. As we all know that the universal law of gravitation which was proposed by Newton is an assumption or hypothesis. At that time before him there were several observations, experiments and data on the motion of planets round the sun, motion of the moon around the earth, pendulums, body falling towards the earth, etc. Based on these data, he proposed the universal law of gravitation. Let us describe the statement of the universal law of gravitation. The statement is that any two bodies in the universe attract each other with a force proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So, if we assume this statement, we are able to explain various phenomena. Now, let us discuss about axiom and model. An axiom is a self-evident truth, while a model is a theory proposed to explain observed phenomena. Let us take another example of Bohr's model of hydrogen atom. So, in Bohr's model of hydrogen atom, he assumed that an electron in the hydrogen atom follows certain rules, which are known as postulates. Before him, there was a large amount of spectroscopic data which were not explained by other theories at that time. So, Bohr said that if we assume that an atom behaves in such a manner, we can explain all these things at once. Now, let us discuss about Einstein's special theory of relativity. This theory is also based on the two postulates. The first postulate is the constancy of the speed of electromagnetic radiation. The second postulate is the validity of physical laws in all inertial frame of references. Here also, it would not be wise to ask someone to prove the constancy of the speed of electromagnetic radiation independent of the source or observer. In mathematics too, we need axioms and hypotheses at every stage. Euclid stated that parallel lines never meet. This is a hypothesis. This is all about hypotheses, axioms and models. Thank you very much for watching this video.